How I spend my time during a quarantine? Let's check it out. Okay, so I will wash my bike that has been washed in about 2 months, which, as you can see, it's already quite dirty. Washing the motorcycle has several stages so that it can be cleaned optimally. The first prepare tools such as soap, a sponge, and then microfiber towel and buckets for soap. Okay, flush the bike evenly with water first. Add soap to the bike by rubbing it with a sponge. The thing to note here is we have to wash the top of the bike first in order maximally clean. After that, grease the bike thoroughly. The last important thing is to wipe the bike using microfiber towel so that the motorcycle body doesn't mold.
Could've been my number one mate, just a pawn in the game we played. Got caught up and snuffed out this flame. Could've been a unit, but you blew it, what a shame. Still scared to be alone, but getting cooler when I speak. This shit'll break a fucking piece of me, but fuck it, I delete it. Preaching freedom and bereavement, being scared but fucking keeping me. Speaking to the people, taking pictures of the broken me. Overculture, notions broken, false and hoping, hopeless, croaking, overdose, but only fucking holding on to homies. Slowly broken over, open, closing hoaxes on the suck a peanut. We finna fuck these humans up, and when we cut these little fucks, I'll spit a bunch of humid up.
That's all from me. Hopefully useful. Thank you for watching.